One time 一回一回 Two times 二回二回 Three times 三回三回 Four times 四回四回 Five times 五回五回 Six times 六回六回 Seven times 七回七回 Eight times 八回八回 Nine times 九回九回 Ten times 十回十回 Review 一回二回三回四回五回六回七回八回九回十回 Great! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say 2 times in Japanese? A. 4回 B. 2回 C. 6回 The answer is B. 2回Number 2. How do you say 5 times in Japanese? A. 6回 B. 5回 C. 10回 The answer is B. 5回Number 3. How do you say 3 times in Japanese? A. 5回 B. 3回 C. 9回The answer is B. 3回 Number 4. How do you say 1 time in Japanese? A. 1回 B. 3回 C. 4回The answer is A. 1回 Great! Something you might enjoy. Japanese coloring book called Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club is on sale at Amazon.com. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. We deeply appreciate your taking the time to watch our video today. See you next video. またね